everyone, welcome to our channel Talk to Muheem. Myself Neelam and he is
मुहीम। अब सीखेगी दुनिया हमारे साथ।
Yes, now the world will learn with us. He has an experience of 7 years as a patent consultant with many multinational companies. And he has also cleared the exam of patent agent in his first attempt. So before bombarding questions on him regarding the patent consultant, patent analyst, etc., let me tell you first that who is a patent analyst. So patent analyst is made up of two words, patent and analyst. So patent is a right given by the government to the inventors for their scientific and technical innovations. It is the grant which is given for 20 years and it gives the investor the exclusive right through which he can monetize his invention. An analyst is simply a person who reads and analyzes those patents because patent is important source of scientific and business informations. So now let's find out that what are the eligibility criteria for a patent analyst.
If any person wants to become a patent analyst or patent consultant, so he or she should have following criteria. Either he or she should have B.Tech or M.Tech or PhD degrees, or he or she should have B Pharma or M Pharma or PhD degrees, or he or she should have MSc, BSc or PhD degree, because patent is all about the technical document or technical things. So if any person is carrying their technical degree, they can perform this job.
So whether the persons with BA or BCom degrees, they can become patent analyst?
No, it is not possible because most of the patent document is all about the technology, as I already said to you. So if any person is carrying BA or BCom degree, so those kind of person cannot become as patent analyst or patent consultant, but if they are aspire to become as wants to become as a team member of paralegal team, so they can and become as a member of paralegal team, because it is all about the docking and how to file the patent. So it is just like a clerical work, but patent analyst or patent consultant, it is not clerical work. It is a completely technical and scientific job.
Okay, so which one is a better option to start the career as a patent analyst? Whether to start the career with the outsourcing company or to start the career with a product-based company?
It is my personal opinion to everyone. If you are fresher, so I want to suggest you one thing. You have to start your career with outsourcing company only. It is my personal opinion, because maybe a second person have other opinion. They will say you have to start your career with product-based company. But if you start with your career with outsourcing company, in that case, you will get the chance to work with a very diversified technology. You will get the chance to work with different type of the searches. You will get the chance to work with the different team members who are aligning with you, apart from or rather than and to work in the product-based company, because in product-based company, particular company is particularly focused on the specific technology only. So I simply suggest you one thing, because as you are fresher, you have lots of energy. You can channelize your energy to learn all the things around you, or all the things around patent analyst or patent consultant. After that, after a certain period of like a 2 year, 3 year of experience, just gain some experience from the outsourcing company, because you become as a very diversified person, and then join any product-based or in-house company.
Okay. So can you tell us that what is the starting salary for the patent analyst in India?
Because as you all aware about that, all the ministry, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as well as lots of the other firms just focusing on the IPR, because the IPR is the backbone of the industry, right? So in outsourcing, if you want to start your career with outsourcing company, so minimum salary you will easily get 5 to 6 lakh. Or it's mean that you will get 40 to 50,000 per month as your starting salary.
That is really good.
Yeah, exactly. It is a very like a lucrative salary. If you want to join as national companies, so the salary will be a little less. Suppose if you want to start with career with a product-based company, so they will offer you 2 to 3 lakh in starting, but you will get lots of opportunity to learn in product-based company. So there is everything has pros and cons. If you want to join with the outsourcing company or as a KPO, so you will get very handsome salary. But obviously thing is that you will have lots of pressure on your head.
So now we know that patent analyst gets a handsome amount.
Exactly.
So, but we should also know that what are the rules?
Because one thing I need to add, Neelam, here, very few people know about this profile, and it is not that much known profile as you just complete your BTech or MTech degree. So you want to become as an engineer only. You want to work with a complete core R&D center, but it is an interdisciplinary sector. So there is lots of opportunity because every time you will keep you updated yourself with the recent technology, what the recent technology is happening in your particular field or the other field also.
Okay. So now can you tell that what are the roles and responsibilities of patent analyst? What are the duties which he needs to perform?
As the term you can see, as Neelam already explained about the patent analyst, you have to read lots of the document, lots of the scientific document. You have to understand the technology. So your daily basis job just based on you have to perform different types of searches such as FTO, IPS, landscape study, is invalidation studies or patentability, infringement studies, secondary market research. If you who are from biological background or life science background, you have to do lots of the clinical trial, regulatory. So there is lots of the opportunity related to the patent consultant as if you are working as a patent consultant.
So you have mentioned few terms like FTO, IVS. So can you explain one by one that first tell us about what is FTO?
Because this term is very known to IPR person, but if you are fresher, so this term is very new. So we usually perform all this type of the searches on as our daily basis job. As FTO stand for Freedom to Operate Search. It is simply I want to explain you. Suppose you have some idea. You want to launch your product in the market. In that case, you have to look if any live patent available related to your technology, what you are thinking or not. If there is any live patent available, you have to invalidate that patent. Either you have to invalidate or you have to take the license from that patent holder, or you have to wait for a certain period of the time. Suppose that patent will expire within 2 and 3 years. So you have to just wait for or hold your product or hold your thought for 2 and 3 years. If that patent will expire, you can directly launch your product in the market. So it is all about the freedom to operate. We usually perform this search using different databases, and we have to restrict this search with last 20 years, and we have to analyze the document on the basis of the claim only.
And what is IVS?
IVS, it stands for invalidation search. So usually we identify in invalidations, we identify prior art which may impact on claim of granted document. So suppose any patent got grant, you want to invalidate that patent, you have to give the prior art of that or completely relevant to that technology. So if you will get, so you can easily invalidate that document.
You also mentioned about landscape, whether it is related to some hills, mountains.
No. It is no way related to hills and mountains. It is related to the land of patents. Landscape is simply you can understand like this. It is analysis of the patent document or scientific document, which will give you the information about the business, which will give you the information about the technology trend, which will give you information about the publication trend, which will give you about the how the technology or market will come in that particular sector if you are performing any landscape of particular things.
Okay. And what about patentability?
Patentability is also called a novelty search. If anyone wants to file their patent document or if anyone wants to file their invention in patent office, so there will be many chance to get rejected, that document rejected by the examiner. So you have to just like as save yourself from that rejection. So you have to perform the patentability search, and you have to make sure that there is no prior art available to relate it or relevant to your technology. In that case, we have to perform the patentability or novelty search. In the patentability or novelty search, we usually search for the patent and scientific article. In this patentability search, We are not focusing on particular date for searching. We are not focusing on anything. If any document is available related to our technology, that can hamper our novelty. So we have to try to find out that novelty things.
And what is infringement analysis?
Infringement analysis is nothing. Suppose you are patent holder of some document, right? So in that case, if any person is using your technology which you have patent without your permission, in that case that person is infringing you. Right? In that case, the infringement can be direct infringement or indirect infringement. Direct infringement, here some person is taking directly your technology, all the elements of your patent. Right? They are using all the element of your patent, and they are using for manufacturing of product or anything. So it is called direct infringement. Or indirect infringement means that they are using few things from your technology, and they are using that technology, or they are making some product with the help of your technology. This is called indirect technology. So various type of the things can be prevent the infringement, like injunctions. You can ask for the royalties. So lots of the other things. It is a legal part.
Okay. So you also mentioned about using databases. So what are the databases which the patent analysts use on daily basis?
Databases, because it is a very important question. Most of the people usually ask me what type of databases we have to use for patent search, scientific article search. So I would like to segregate this database into two segments. One is called free databases, and the other is called paid databases. In free databases for the patent, you will have various country-specific databases like a USPTO, eSpaceNet, InPass, SIPO, and lots of the other country-specific databases, as well as Google Patent is also good database. And on the other side, paid databases, if you want to look for, because most of the outsourcing company and in-house company or product-based company usually rely on the paid databases only. They don't rely on free databases. And paid databases, you will have lots of options like Orbit Intelligence is a very good option, and because it is a very user-friendly. And another option is called Derwent Innovation, and for Markush, as well as for biosequence search, you will have very good options called STN databases, and another database called Patent Lens, as well as SciFinder is also very good databases. If you will look for the scientific article databases, so Scopus is very good, as well as SciFinder is very good also databases. But in case of the free databases, you will have Science Direct, as Ville or PubMed. This is all the free databases. If you will look for a clinical trial, so clinical trial, we usually use clinicaltrials.gov, CenterWatch. So such type of the databases we usually perform our clinical trial searches. And if you are a licensed person, if you have background related to pharma, so usually you can use various regulatory databases also, such as US FDA, or in Orange Book, in EMA, PDMA. So lots of the other databases you can use like this.
So thank you so much for your valuable insight. And we have a lot more questions relating to Patent Analyst, and we'll cover that in our next video. Also, if you want to know how to crack patent agent exam, how to do diligence studies, or you want to have the practical knowledge about the patent analyst, feel free to ask.
Yeah, if you will have any question, if you want to just like make you comfortable in the practical cases or like a live cases, so you can directly comment us. I will provide you the live cases, and I will guide you each and every point of the project. So we are completely for you only.
So thank you for watching our video.
Thank you so much, guys. और because it is our tagline, अब सीखेगी दुनिया हमारे साथ, because what we know, we just want to give.
Yes. So please like our video, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Thank you so much.